Today I am doing a review of the Redtail 27 by Kelty. Okay, so first of all I want to talk about the overall look of the Redtail 27. I really like the overall shape of the bag. I like how it kind of rounds off on the top. I think it looks sleek. As well, I love the colors. This is the Ponderosa Pine Green, but Kelty also made it in a navy blue color as well as a black color. So I think those are great color options. I like the dark green on the back of the bag, and then on the inside, under the shoulder straps, I like the lighter green color. I think on the mesh, I think it works really good. Now let's look at the overall size of this bag. It is a 21 by 10 by 10 inch bag, and it holds 27 liters. I will say that this was just a little small for me. I used this every day for about 4 months. Doing rangeland work, and when I was out on the range I carried a Microsoft Surface with me, and I just found that with my Microsoft Surface, my first aid kit, and a few other things in there, it just had a hard time squeezing in there. And I mean, Microsoft Surface isn't giant, it's not like a laptop size, so you would think it would fit alright, but it just was too small to hold that tablet. Now I do have a 9.7 inch iPad Pro, and that fits perfect. But anything bigger than that, I just don't think it fits great. So again, just a little small for me. Now I will say that the compartments on the front and the top are a decent size. In the front compartment, I would carry a utility knife, some pens, a notebook, little things like that, and it works fine. In the top, I'd put my keys, my wallet, and things like that, and it's perfect. But the main compartment is just too small. Okay, so now looking at the utility of this bag, I will say that it was alright. I wish it had a few adjustments. One of the things that I wish that Kelty would do in a future generation of this bag is I wish that the pockets on the inside had some sort of snaps or Velcro to hold the pockets closed. I found that when I was hiking around, I'm bending over, sometimes I'm taking large awkward steps, and I found that when I went to stop and open up the compartments, everything I had in the pockets would be in a big mess inside the compartment, and so they would never stay in the pockets. And that just really bothered the heck out of me. I had a skinning knife in there that would come out of the sheath all the time because the pocket wouldn't keep the knife in there. So that's one thing I wish that Kelty would fix with this bag. Put Velcro on it, something to hold it closed. Okay, let's look at the various features that are specific to this bag. We'll start with the water bottle pockets. These are absolutely horrible. I don't want to diss on Kelty because I really am a huge Kelty fan, but man, they could not get some of these features right. And the water bottle pockets were horrible. You can bend over, just slightly bend over, and your water bottle is going to fall out. I can't tell you how many water bottles I've lost, how many water bottles I've broken, just because these pockets will not hold the water bottles in them. Another thing that I dislike about one of the features of this bag is the sternum straps and the waist straps. Now, the functionality is fine. I think that it works It works all right. The thing I don't like about it is you can't tuck away the straps when you're not using them. They just kind of hang off. They just hang off to the side, and there's no way to hide them. It's really annoying, and it catches on things all the time when you're not using them. So I wish there was some way to tuck them away, something. So one of the other features of this bag is it has this hex mesh lining the back panel and the shoulder straps. Now this is a great design. I think Kelty has mastered comfort when it comes to long hikes. I think that they did a phenomenal job of that. The moist wicking technology is great. I can set my bag down and sweat or water just comes right off this thing, and I think that's great. I think that they did a great job with that technology. So my rating for the Kelty Redtail 27 is a 3 out of 5 stars. And like I said, I think there's a lot of improvement for the utility of the bag. I think that they could definitely improve compartmentalization, and of course the water bottle pockets. They're just absolutely horrible. But like I said, the overall look of the bag, the comfort of the bag is great. So hopefully in the future Kelty will fix those few things, and hopefully we can get a better review on a future Redtail 27. Thanks for watching, and if you like this review, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you'd like me to review some other Kelty products or any other kind of outdoor products you might be wondering about, and we'll see you on the next video.